Hey, this is Marques. The plugin that Michael Thomas and I developed is going to allow you to make more money from each of your sites, and we are super excited to bring this to you. So we've all seen the same style of ads displayed across big name sites and even smaller sites across the internet. And this is Huffington Post right here. And you can see these ads right down here below. Now these are called native ads, so it's a native ad design. So you could go to pretty much any site on the internet, and these are really popular because they get massive click-through rates. So this is a proven ad design that gets clicks. Now, if these styles of ads weren't getting clicks, all these sites wouldn't be displaying them. But the problem with featuring these style of ads on your site is that you have no control over where people are taken after they click the ad. So our WP Stealth plugin changes all that. Now you can display the same proven style of ads on your site, linking it to your affiliate links, your CPA offers, your e-com or Amazon offers, your squeeze pages or sales pages. You can even use this plugin to link to other content. So you place the same style of ads that all of these big name sites are using on your site, and you control where the link takes you after somebody clicks on your ad. So this is a very big deal. I hope you can see how powerful this is and how it can make you a bunch of money. Again, this is a proven ad design that gets people to click on your ads. Now, here's how it works. Our plugin is super easy to use. You manage all of your ads from one screen, and you could go in and edit them at any time. If you want to create a new ad, all you do is click on the Add Stealth Ad button right here. And then we can enter a title. So for instance, if I wanted to put a golf ad linking to an affiliate product, then I just put golf up here. This is for internal use only, so you don't have to worry about what you put up here. So the ad text would be something like, one trick to improving your golf swing. And then you will add a URL. So let's say that we were promoting a ClickBank product. I'm just going to put a ClickBank link in here that will take people to an affiliate offer. And then all you have to do is upload an image. So I'm just going to upload an image that I have, click open. Then from there, after I move my head, I'm just going to click on select. And then so here my ad is done, so I'm just going to click on publish. Now when we go back to our page and I can refresh this, now we can see that our ad was displayed, and when someone clicks on it, it will take them to our affiliate offer where we can obviously earn commissions when somebody purchases a product. Now what we did to improve bounce rate was one thing where we just make all these links open into a new window. So people will still be able to stay on your site even though they click one of your ads. Another thing we did to prevent ad blindness is these all rotate. So right now I'm just refreshing the screen, and you can see how all these different ads are shown. Now you can add an unlimited number of ads, and like I said, it's all managed on one easy screen. So even if you guys are brand new to WordPress, you can use this. I mean, this is like really, really simple. And as you can see, something like this is very effective. You can place these ads anywhere on your site. So I'm just going to edit this page. This works in Pages or Posts. And then all you do is paste in a simple shortcode, and it tells you how many rows of ads that you want displayed. And all you would do, you can just copy that. And if I don't want ads in the middle and only at the bottom, then I want 2 ads at the bottom. Then all I would do is update that. Then I can view the page, and the ads will only be shown in the bottom. So you can place this anywhere in your content. Now, our plugin works with any theme. It's mobile friendly. There's built-in Google fonts, and you control everything. This plugin is awesome. So right now we have a special offer going where you could get WP Stealth ads at a discounted price. Now, even if you're on the fence, you want to get in now and take it for a 30-day test drive. If you guys aren't happy with the plugin for any reason, simply ask us for a refund, and I mean, we'll gladly give you one. So I'm convinced this plugin will make you more money. So click on the Buy Now button below. Michael and I will see you in the members area.